Hello, my name is Emily Gifford, and I'm going to be teaching a course on technology. So basically, we're going to go over different tools and different topics. So in particular, we will go over, as you can see, sports, rabbits, and space. Sports, usually exercise is kind of what I'm going for. Rabbits, I really enjoy rabbits, and space. So with these quirky topics, it's a great way to kind of get our feet wet and learn about education technology. I chose these topics because they're pretty diverse and different, so I thought they would be fun and engaging. And hopefully it doesn't feel like you're being force-fed information. So moving on, why technology? So basically, technology is the way of the future, and we need to immerse ourselves in technology to keep up with this ever-changing digital world. And the report goes into the importance of education technology in particular and being uh, comfortable enough with technology that we can share it. And digital equity is a really important part of that too. So, in the next 10 years, robots will pretty much take over a lot of the jobs that we have today. If you go on this site, you're able to see if your job will be taken over to computers. Thank goodness teachers, that would be me, are pretty much in the clear. So we have yet to go over tools, but we'll get there. But we're going to start with the exercise module. And if you want to know more about me, this is the About Me section. I'm a graduate student pursuing my Master's of Education in Online Teaching and Training at the University of Incarnate Word. I've been all over the US for my educational journey, and now I'm focusing on technology. So back to exercise. This is an infographic that I thought was really important to share. Why we need exercise. Everyone talks about, I need to work out, and especially, that time of year, January 1st, when everyone, new year, new me. But we can work on this all the time. So just 30 minutes a day is enough to reduce the risk of heart attack, type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol. So that's only half an hour. That's not a crazy amount of time. And I'll talk about later how you can actually split that time up. And that is really, really helpful because it can be a lot. Because if you hate working out, hopefully you will be able to find time with this infographic. And all of these sites that I have used for my sources are vetted to the best of my ability. I made sure to take from sites that weren't, just some random site. I picked sites that I tried to make sure were presenting quality information. So the next is the mind. So basically, even though exercise is moving your body, the mind is a really important part of exercise because by exercising, your mind is given a boost. With people with mild mental illnesses, it can actually really help them. It can increase their self-esteem, combat depression, and also you can see for kids' health at work. So the exercising is a mind-body approach, so you have to really incorporate both. And most people think, if I just lift weights or do this, like my body itself is going to be better, but it's actually your mind too. It's a holistic approach. So now moving on to the body, the more obvious one of the two. By working out, you're able to maintain a healthier weight, build stronger bones, and muscle. So in essence, it's the whole picture. By working out, you create small tears in your muscles that repair over time, so they actually get stronger. And so that's how you build stronger muscle and bones. In addition, aging. So actually at the molecular level and the cellular level, exercise creates stronger molecules in the cells, which can actually slow down aging. So if you're not really a fan of working out, but maybe this will help that, you could potentially live longer by working out. That's pretty important, and that was through time. And then next, finding time. As I spoke about before, it's not that hard to find time because you can actually split the 30 minutes into 2 or 3 segments throughout the day. So I know that I do, or at least I try to do, in a 10-minute ab workout video. I just found it on YouTube because as a graduate student currently and eventually a professor, it can be pretty difficult to find time to work on these different things, mind, body, exercise. But by managing your time, you're able to get all of these benefits. So it's really, really important. And this infographic was made through Canva. You can see I made some other things, but that's Canva. And it's a site that I'm going to put on my site. So that it'll be under the tool section, and you'll be able to see and use this and make your own infographics too. So this is just an example, but it's really helpful, It presents the information correctly and well, and our brains crave infographics. All right, thank you so much.